In Journey of Life, there are moments when we find ourselves standing at the crossroads of doubt and determination. This series is dedicated to unraveling the profound impact of positive affirmations on our lives and how they can guide us towards success. And each chapter will be a step towards not just understanding, but embodying the power of positive affirmations. So let us embark on Positive Affirmation series together and embrace the potential within us. But what are positive affirmations? Positive affirmations are simple, yet powerful statements that affirm a positive truth about ourselves or our circumstances. They serve as declarations of self-worth, potential, and capability. When we repeat these affirmations regularly, they become embedded in our subconscious, influencing our thoughts, feelings, and actions. But why are they so significant? It's because our minds are like gardens, and our thoughts are the seeds. Positive affirmations are like seeds that grow into a garden of positivity. They help us to overcome our focus on negativity and self-doubt. Numerous studies have shown that affirmations can lead to positive changes in our brains, impacting our pathways and the way we receive information. When we consistently affirm positive beliefs, we literally rewire our brains for success and resilience. Furthermore, affirmations have been linked to reduced stress levels, improved self-esteem, and they create a ripple effect, influencing not only our mental and emotional states, but also our physical health. This is the undeniable proof that affirmations are not mere words, but it's a motivation for transformation. So let us hold on to this understanding that positive affirmations are not only wishful thinking, but they are the keys that unlock the doors to our brightest futures. Number 1, the mind-body connection. Our thoughts are like the rudders guiding the ship of our lives. They determine our course and steering us towards our goals. Positive affirmations act as powerful navigational tools, redirecting our thoughts towards constructive and uplifting directions. When we repeat affirmations like, "I am capable" or "I am worthy of success," we're planting seeds of positivity in our minds. These seeds grow into beliefs, reshaping the way we perceive ourselves and our abilities. As a result, we begin to see opportunities where we once saw obstacles, and we approach those challenges with confidence. It's important to remember that our thoughts don't exist in a vacuum. They have a direct impact on our actions and our outcomes in life. When we believe in our capabilities, we're more likely to take steps towards our goals. We become more persistent in the face of setbacks, more innovative in problem solving, and more open to seizing opportunities. Our positive thoughts turn into real actions, driving us towards success. Consider this: if a person who believes they can achieve their dreams is more likely to put effort and persistence to make those dreams a reality. It's not about wishful thinking. It's about aligning our thoughts and actions to create a powerful force for change. So let's embrace this truth. Our thoughts are the starting point, but they are not the end. Positive thoughts are the seeds that grow into action, and action leads to the outcomes we want. Number 2, crafting effective affirmations. We already understand the profound influence of positive affirmations on our thoughts and actions. Let's turn our attention to the art of crafting these powerful declarations. First, be specific and clear. When formulating affirmations, clarity is key. Clearly state what you want to achieve. For example, instead of saying, "I am successful," specify, "I am a successful teacher." Second, use present tense. Phrase your affirmations in the present tense, as if you have already achieved your goal. This helps your subconscious mind to accept the affirmation. For instance, say, "I am confident and capable," rather than, "I will be confident and capable." Third, make them personal. Your affirmations should resonate with your unique aspirations and values. They should reflect your authentic self and what truly matters to you. This personal touch gives them greater power and relevance. Fourth, keep them positive. Avoid negative language or focusing on what you want to avoid. Instead of saying, "I am not afraid of challenges," say, "I embrace challenges with confidence and creativity." Fifth, be realistic, yet ambitious. While affirmations should inspire and motivate, they should also be rooted in reality. Aim for goals that are attainable with effort and dedication. Sixth, include emotional content. Infuse your affirmations with emotion. Feel the emotions associated with achieving your goal. This emotional connection strengthens the impact of the affirmation. Seventh, repeat consistently. Repetition is key. Make them a part of your daily routine, saying them with conviction and belief. Remember, these are just starting points. Your affirmations should be as unique as you are. Take the time to craft statements that resonate deeply with your aspirations and watch as they transform from words into powerful agents of change. Number 3. Daily affirmation practices. Imagine affirmations as seeds we plant in the fertile soil of our minds. To thrive and bear fruit, they need regular care and attention. Consistency is the water and sunlight that nourishes these seeds, allowing them to grow into powerful beliefs. When we make affirmations a daily practice, we reprogram our subconscious mind, and they become a natural part of our thought patterns, influencing our attitudes, decisions, and responses. This daily reinforcement reinforces our commitment to our goals and our belief in our own potential. Here are some practical tips to help you into your daily routine. First, morning rituals. Begin your day by reciting affirmations. It sets a positive tone for the day ahead. Stand in front of a mirror and speak your affirmations with confidence and conviction. Second, visual aids. Place written affirmations where you'll see them frequently on your bathroom mirror, computer desktop. These visual reminders keep your goals at the forefront of your mind. Third, affirmation journal. Dedicate a notebook to your affirmations. Write them down daily, reflecting on their meaning and visualizing their realization. Fourth, end your day with gratitude affirmations. Before you sleep, reflect on the positive aspects of your day and affirm your gratitude for them. This sets the stage for a restful, rejuvenating night. Remember, the key is consistency. The more regularly you engage with your affirmations, the deeper their roots will grow, and the more profound impact on your mindset and actions. By embracing affirmations as a daily practice, you are nurturing the seeds of success you've planted. You're fostering an environment where positivity, confidence, and determination thrive. Number 4. Overcoming self-doubt. It's natural for doubts to surface, questioning whether our affirmations hold true or if we are truly capable of achieving our goals. Recognize that self-doubt is not an enemy, but rather a challenge to be met. It's a reminder that we are stepping out of our comfort zones, reaching for new heights, and that's where growth truly happens. Embrace self-doubt as a sign of progress, knowing that it's an opportunity to reaffirm our belief in ourselves. Here are some of the strategies to overcome self-doubt by using affirmations. First, acknowledge and reframe doubts. When self-doubt arises, acknowledge it, but don't let it define you. Reframe those negative thoughts with affirmations. For example, if you think, "I can't do this," counter it with, "I am capable." Second, focus on past achievements. Reflect on moments in your life where you've overcome challenges and achieved success. Remind yourself that you have a capability. Use affirmations to affirm your ability to overcome obstacles. Third, seek support and encouragement. Surround yourself with positive influences. Share your affirmations with trusted friends or mentors who can provide encouragement. Fourth, set realistic milestones. Break down your larger goals into smaller, manageable steps. Affirm your ability to achieve each milestone, knowing that each step is a victory. Remember, self-doubt is a natural part of any transformative journey. It's a sign that you're pushing boundaries and striving for growth. Affirmations serve as a powerful antidote, reminding you of your worthiness, capability, and potential for success. With every affirmation, you're dispelling the clouds of doubt and making way for the sunshine of confidence to shine through. Number 5. Affirmations for career success. Affirmations play a pivotal role in shaping our professional paths, unlocking doors to opportunities, and nurturing the seeds of success. Here are some of the affirmations examples for career growth. First, I am confident and capable and ready to take on any challenge that comes my way. Second, every day, I am advancing towards my goals with purpose and determination. These affirmations are not just words, but seeds of belief planted deep within your subconscious. They are the foundation upon which you build your path to a fulfilling and successful career. Throughout history, numerous individuals have harnessed the power of affirmations to propel themselves to great heights in their careers. Consider Steve Jobs, the co-founder of Apple, famously used affirmations to drive his vision for innovation. He affirmed his belief in his ideas, even when faced with skepticism and challenges. This unwavering confidence in himself and his vision led to the creation of some of the most iconic products in technology history. These success stories remind us that affirmations are not just words, they are tools for transformation. They have the power to shape our careers and ultimately, our destinies. By integrating these career-focused affirmations into your daily routine, you're not only affirming your potential, but you're also setting in motion a series of actions that will lead you towards the success you deserve. Number 6. Affirmations for health and well-being. As we move forward in our exploration of affirmations, it's crucial to recognize that their impact extends far beyond our careers. Affirmations also hold the power to influence our physical and mental well-being. Our bodies and minds are connected, and the beliefs we hold about our health can have a profound effect on our actual well-being. Affirmations serve as a powerful tool to foster a positive, health-promoting mindset. Here are some of the affirmations that focused on health and well-being. First, every day, I am becoming stronger, healthier, and more vibrant. Second, I am worthy of a life filled with vitality, joy, and well-being. These affirmations are like seeds of vitality that you're planting within yourself. They nurture a mindset of well-being, reinforcing your commitment to a healthy life. Remember, it's not just about the words, but the belief and intention behind them. As you repeat these affirmations, do so with a sense of conviction and trust in your body's innate ability to thrive. By integrating health-focused affirmations into your daily routine, you're not only affirming your well-being, but you're also taking active steps towards a life filled with joy. Number 7. Affirmations for relationships. Affirmations have a profound impact on how we connect with others, fostering understanding and compassion. When we affirm positive qualities within ourselves, we radiate that positivity outward, influencing our interactions with others. It's like a ripple effect, where the positive energy we cultivate within ourselves extends to those around us. Here are some of the affirmations focused on nurturing positive relationships. First, I approach my relationships with an open heart and a spirit of understanding. Second, I am worthy of love and respect, and I attract healthy, positive relationships into my life. Third, I am grateful for the people in my life, and I cherish the support and love we give and receive. These affirmations serve as a reminder that healthy relationships start with a healthy sense of self-worth and an open heart. Consider the work of Dr. John Gottman, a leading expert in relationship research. He emphasizes the importance of affirming and expressing appreciation for our partners. His studies have shown that affirmations of love and appreciation significantly contribute to the longevity and quality of relationships. These underscore the profound impact that affirmations can have on our relationships. They show us that by fostering a positive, affirming mindset, we can transform our interactions with others and create deeper, more fulfilling connections. Through our exploration, we've discovered that affirmations are not mere words, but powerful catalysts for change. They influence our thoughts, actions, and ultimately, our destinies. We've witnessed how affirmations can reshape our careers, enhance our well-being, and deepen our relationships. We've learned that affirmations are not limited to wishful thinking. They are rooted in science and supported by countless success stories. So, I encourage each and every one of you to embrace affirmations as a daily practice. Craft your own affirmations unique to your aspirations and values. Speak them with conviction and belief. Let them become the foundation upon which you build your path to success, well-being, and fulfilling relationships. But remember, consistency is key. Integrate affirmations into your daily routine, making them a natural part of your thoughts and beliefs. See them as the seeds of change, nurtured by your unwavering commitment. So in Journey of Life, let us move forward, armed with the knowledge and practice positive affirmations. May your journey be filled with endless success and fulfillment. Thank you, and stay blessed.